Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Moskvitch 412, a nameplate that's been resurrected with a modern twist, aiming to blend Soviet-era nostalgia with current-day automotive standards. Let's take a closer look at what this revived classic has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Moskvitch 412 retains a retro-inspired silhouette, paying homage to the original model from the 60s and 70s, but with sleek modern upgrades. The front end features a bold grille with LED headlights that carry a squared-off design, evoking a strong, utilitarian vibe. The body has clean lines, slightly flared wheel arches, and a fastback-style rear that adds some contemporary edge. Alloy wheels come standard, and a set of unique paint options, including a classic Soviet green and a matte charcoal, give the car distinct character. Inside, the Moskvitch 412 surprises with a minimalist but functional cabin. The dashboard is simple, with a fully digital gauge cluster and a central 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Materials are basic but solid, with soft touch plastics and fabric upholstery dominating the interior. Space is decent for a compact sedan, with ample legroom up front and reasonable comfort for rear passengers. The trunk is surprisingly generous, staying true to the car's practical roots. Under the hood, the new 412 comes with two powertrain options, a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated engine producing around 115 horsepower, and a more refined 1.5-liter turbocharged variant pushing 150 horsepower. Both are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT. While not built for speed, the turbo version offers decent acceleration and performs well for daily commuting and urban driving. The suspension is tuned for comfort, handling potholes and rough roads better than expected. Fuel economy ranges between 6 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers, making it an efficient option for budget-conscious drivers. Now for the price. The base model starts at around $16,000, while the fully loaded turbocharged version with all the tech bells and whistles goes for about $21,000. That makes the 2025 Moskvitch 412 one of the most affordable compact sedans on the market, especially considering its nostalgic appeal and practical design. So, is the 2025 Moskvitch 412 the comeback hit we didn't know we needed? If you're looking for something unique, efficient, and budget-friendly, this retro-modern revival might just deserve a second look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.